Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning. So, till now we have discussed two questions from the project, right? So, today we'll be discussing one another question, that is provide a report with all the unique product counts from each segment and sort them in descending order of product counts. The final output should contain two fields. They are segment and product count. So, from here we can understand that uh, there were different segments. There were different segments. So let us see a data model, for example, for sake. So see here in DIM product. So in DIM product. So here it is. There are some segments of products, right? So segments of products. So in these segments, in the different there will be a number of segments in the product categories, different segments of the products. So in which there will be some other. So in which there will be some other products, right? So we need to find for each and every segment how many number of different unique products are available. We need to find these things. Okay, so this is the question. So let us solve this. So select as usual from. So as they are asking for a segment, right? For a segment. So that does directly mean that grouping. So group by. So and then they have asked to order it. So order by class. So these are all the classes required for us. So from which table we are supposed to extract? See, in the DIM product, there is product code as well as segment as well as segments. So these are all the requirements for us. So we can use this table. So DIM product. So this is the and then grouping. So on what column we should group here? So we should group based on the segment column because we need to count the unique products from for every each and every segment, right? So that is the reason. So now let us select the columns required. So as they mentioned, segment, and then in the segment they are asking to count distinct products. So right. So count of distinct of. So what we are finding? Product code. Product code. So now order by. So let us name it as unique products, UP, let's say, or else you will unique products segment. So let us name this as is. So now order by on this column. So they are asking to order in descending order. So this is the query. Let us run it. So we can see here, right? So we can see it here. So there were different segments. They are notebook, accessories, peripherals, desktop, storages, networking. So these are all the segments available or dealing with Atliq Hardware company. So here, if we can see that in the notebook segment, there are a number of products available. 139 products are available. If we see networking, so the products which are related to networking, they were very less. There are only 9 different products. So these are all the ranges of products that are Atliq Hardware is maintaining in different segments. So this is what we can infer from this query. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.